you stealing parts off my car, bro?
I'm trying to help you out. Getting rid of your fucking iPhone charger cable lines that you have running through here to power your car.
You guys know the homies over here. What you got on today, bro?
Something
the Air Force?
Yeah, the Air
Damn,
Force.
that's sick, bro. What?
All of this just to get beat.
Beat by what?
You'll see. You'll see what's coming through.
Speaking of beat. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark, the chosen one over here. I told you guys the last time, we're gonna see the Supra, or the next time you see the Supra, the motor's gonna be out or coming out. Well, it is actually coming out, obviously. The whole fucking everything's been taken off over here. Chris has been working 3 days straight, no sleep, nonstop. Obviously, all the parts are here. I am going to take half of this stuff. So everything that's aluminum, like the intercooler, the ducting, the oil coolers, the ductings, the intercooler piping over there, the catch can, the radiator, the support, that other ducting, basically everything you see that's aluminum, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna have it brushed and then bring it back all clean and nice. The turbo manifold, the turbo, the wastegate, the downpipe, that's a big fat thick one. They're all gonna get coated, ceramic coated. So John's gonna take care of that. The only thing missing that I'm gonna actually take to get brushed is the intake manifold over there. And then we're gonna pull the motor out, obviously. And then Mario, the wiring genius guy, he's gonna come back, tell us the fuck we do with all this extra shit. What can we cut? What can we not cut? And then World Cup over here, the homie. He's gonna get cracking down on this stuff, building this stuff, and it's actually kind of nice that I get to see this again now that I know a lot more, or that I've experienced whatever I have with this setup. It gives us a chance, and me specifically, because I saw it before and now I'm seeing it now. You're seeing it for the first time now, this stuff, so you're like probably like, what the fuck's going on? But it gives me a chance to be like, all right, cool, let's change this, let's upgrade this, maybe we should do this a little bit differently, which actually makes me feel a lot better. Like for instance, like these mounts here, you know, the motor's vibrating a lot. I want to add rubber bushing to it, and actually probably, you know, John was pointing out that I should probably remake these in a way where the pressure is sitting not over here. You see what I'm saying? Like just to make it fit a little bit better. Little things like that I'm not going to be able to do or see unless we're in this stage. And just the other little couple things that I don't even need to get into right now, but we're going to change and kind of fix all that stuff. But this is good news, is progress. I was telling everybody that Chris has been here for like 3 days straight, just working like 70, like no sleep, just fucking letting this out, you know. So I really appreciate that, Chris, you know. But yeah, I don't know what else to really show here other than,
yeah, it should be out pretty soon.
Should be out. I can start loading my car up with all that shit.
Yeah, you can.
You want me to?
Open up the gate and then get that set up. And then, yeah, I'm hoping everything should be out by today and tomorrow. Because it's not just a motor. Like, again, we're taking off all the intercooler, the AC lines, all this stuff. And
yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah. Well, it's more taking your time because, again, you have a motor. It's a newer chassis with a motor that doesn't belong there. So you kind of want to take your time and see where things go and what things are connected to.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's not like putting the stock motor back in and everything kind of makes sense. Everything plugs into specific things. So it's just remembering where everything goes. And
this core support right here, am I painting that as well?
You can paint it black if you want. I think you said you wanted to paint that black because you could see a little bit of it. Me personally, I would leave it. But if it's already at the paint shop, if you want to paint it black, I would paint it black. You take the parts to the polisher, make sure they cover up the fins. Like typically, if you look at my car, everything has a piece of cardboard like matching. I'll show you. So,
because I don't think he's gonna polish it. I think he's just gonna brush it.
right, but I normally cover this up
Oh, I see.
because these things get all jacked up and then it looks like shit.
I see.
Right? They get all banged up. They're using machines. They're gonna be grabbing it and all that. So eventually, you ever see those radiators where everything looks all fucked up? The fins are all bent and shit.
Yeah.
You want to cover it.
All right, I'll do that. Just cardboard and tape then.
Yeah.
Same with the coolers then too.
Same with the coolers. Anything radiator related that has fins, I'll cover it.
Front and back?
Yeah, so you can see a perfect example. This is Lewis's old radiator. Sorry, don't mind the trash. I'm gonna take out the trash.
It's all right.
But you see, like, this will start to happen.
What were you drifting or some shit? You try to drift? You hit a wall or some shit? The fuck is this?
They bend real easy. Look, even by just like putting your finger on it.
Yeah, I know.
Boom.
That's what happens when you make real power.
Real power.
Real power to the fan and
You see what I'm saying though? If they start grabbing it and holding it, you gotta hold shit good when you're fucking putting it on a machine. If you squeeze on it,
Yeah, just don't give them a reason to fuck it up.
right? You start doing this,
Yeah.
and then if they fuck it up enough, it's gonna look like shit for
And not
one, and
only
then
that,
two, it
just-
slows down like the
you
way
don't
the
need
air
to do
goes
a
in.
lot of damage to it for it to start leaking. My thing wasn't rubbing down much, and then the whole coolant just started spraying out everywhere. Hey, relax.
I don't need no fucking tech tips from you.
I'm just letting you know.
Oh, no, I
I've been in
appreciate
the
it.
game
No, I
longer than you
know, I appreciate
Yeah, just make sure they cover all that up.
Okay. Well, I'm going to cover it up, I guess. I'm just going to take this back to the shop.
Got it.
Ron knows someone that's going to brush it. I think
Okay.
it's the same guy who brushes his wheels.
Okay. Yeah, if they do wheels, they should be able to do that.
I'm just thinking, is the brushing like a directional thing? Do I just...
Has to be. You need to
Okay, so I want to tell them all one direction, everything. Cool. Well, we can take this apart, yeah?
Yes, it's already taken apart. We just gotta lift it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Dude, who sold you this turbo?
Who sold me this turbo?
Yeah.
Precision.
Is it new?
Brand new.
Why is it fucked up? Look.
You're a bad liar, bro.
Bro, what the fuck you mean I'm a bad Look at this.
It's a turbo. It goes up and down. That's the
No,
boost.
it doesn't.
Tell him.
This is supposed to be solid on there. Bro, this is...
John. It's not working, bro.
Whatever
It's
then,
not
bro.
working.
I'm just fucking with you.
This guy, he can never get me.
I didn't know what to say, so I stood quiet.
I know, you never had a
I was
turbo
just
car,
like,
huh?
I was just like,
Your shit's never been turbo, huh? You had the AutoZone, the little whistle and the exhaust?
all right, don't want to hear any crying when you get dragged. I'm just saying.
The only type of dragging you're gonna do is fucking dragging these nuts.
Come on.
Huh.
So we got another one of these coming, and we're basically gonna do what we did to John's car, and we're gonna put this in my MR2.
Sick.
So roughly around 600 horsepower range, but the car weighs under 2,000 pounds. So
That's cool, man.
So when that's done, we'll get a run. We'll get a run.
Oh, you're gonna have to pay me to run me, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on, man.
I don't run cars like that.
All right. Well, when you get fucking smoked, you're gonna want to build them.
What's gonna happen when we reach 80 miles an hour, bro?
VTEC kicks in and I'm gone.
VTEC.
You like that?
See, I'm waiting for the handbrake. It's gonna come. Put that shit right there, and that's it. You need some help? I can hire someone. No?
I'm telling you, those shits are dangerous.
I don't know.
All right, bro. If you guys are wondering why I'm pacing back and forth, I'm just looking at shit that I can paint different at the body shop or not. Like, do I leave this like this? Do I paint it gloss black? You know, I don't know. Stuff like that. I saw Adam LZ had like Ganador style mirrors for this car. I have no idea where he got those from. I'm gonna hit him up because that would be sick. Paint all this shit. Guys, what do you think? Should I paint the core support, leave it, paint it body color of the car, whatever that is, or paint it black? You guys tell me what you guys think. In the comments, please. I'm gonna start loading this shit up in the Tessie. These nuts? These nuts. No?
That's what it says.
Sleeper.
Sleep on these nuts.
Sleep on these nuts.
Sleep on these nuts.
You ever seen a daily this clean?
So that's what I was gonna ask you. On the Teslas, you can't change the wheel size, correct? Or
Yeah.
how'd you do it? Because it fucks up the computer or like the...
The all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Nah. These cars, the drive shaft's completely different. The front and the rear is completely different.
Okay.
They're separate from each other. They're not connected.
Yeah, because that's what I always thought about Teslas. They couldn't change the wheel size
I
on
changed
them.
it.
We have the same one, the Performance, the Model Y.
They just came out with track mode on that bitch. You can drift it.
Really?
Yeah, it's sick.
Is it an update or?
It's an update, yeah. Oh shit! This is. I didn't know that was off. Hey, so I can't lay it down on the floor like this? Yeah.
You can, but just don't lay it on top of those fins because they'll bend.
Yeah. This is very exciting. Ooh, see? You know anything about this?
Okay.
Okay. I work on my own shit. Don't forget.
I don't know. It seems like it.
Hey, John.
Yes.
I'll come back and grab the tranny.
You want me to tell him to get ready for you?
How do you want them?
I'll have Lewis here fluff them up for you.
It depends. It depends. Real talk. Because it's like, if they're gonna look like a girl, then I want the dick to be really small. But if they're gonna look like a dude, then I want fat tits and a big ass dick.
Like straight tripod.
Like straight up. I'm just like,
Kickstand and all.
alright, bitch, you wanna fucking fuck me?
Shit.
This is a real one? Or you got
Yeah.
the fake one?
No,
Because they sell the
fucking
fake
real.
shit.
No.
How much you pay for it?
I've had it for a long time.
What are you putting in here? K20?
No, the K20 is going in the MR2.
What are you putting in here?
Stock 260.
That's what you want to do?
I'll do coilovers and stuff, and I'll drop the motor. I don't know. I don't know what I want to put in there.
Is this shit real?
Yeah, it's real. Come on, bro.
I don't have
be
my little
stupid.
thing.
Don't be stupid. Go get it.
Let me see.
Come on.
Cap.
Don't be stupid. Go get the machine.
What machine?
The little fucking tester, yeah.
That's Cap.
Go get it.
They pawn that shit for 30
Go
bucks.
get it. Go get it. It's not even big. Why would I get fake?
No, the rope. No, the rope is real.
No, they're real too, but.
I don't know, man.
Oh my god.
He's Armenian, bro. They do all that jewelry shit.
I got my little thing. I got my little thing right here.
Oh, I thought you were pointing it at yourself.
I was.
You have a jeweler?
Of course.
Do you really?
Yeah. Who doesn't? What
I
Armenian
don't have a
doesn't?
jeweler.
No, what Armenian doesn't have a jeweler?
Give me an Armenian name.
Give you one?
Yeah.
Viken.
Serash. Viken or Serash or
Serash? It's
No.
not really.
what is Kunem Levat mean?
Kunem Lavat.
Levat or
That means fuck your well-being.
Oh, fuck your well-being then.
Yeah.
How many people have told you
Kunem Lavat. You must hear that a lot, or what?
What
You
is
sure fucking knew it.
what is Chorny?
Chorny.
Yeah.
I don't know. See, there's 3 different dialects in Armenian.
Oh.
I understand all 3 of them, but some of these intricate words, like what you said, I don't know what the fuck it means.
Yeah.
You ever fuck Armenian girl?
Yeah.
In the ass?
It's hard because they don't like to fuck outside of their like race.
Depends, bro. Maybe they just
Nowadays.
Huh?
Nowadays.
It's different.
Yeah.
Was it-
No one gives a fuck now.
But like
it good?
I met this girl like she
Was her
wanted-
pussy? Was her pussy like a clean
it
one, or
good,
was it like a
good,
roast beef
and
one?
They know how to suck dick pretty fucking amazing.
Uh huh.
Amazing. I don't want to go back to Hispanic girls after that.
You miss her or what?
Nah.
I'll give
but
you
it
a
was
little.
good, it was
I'll
good.
give you like Armenian pastry dish. You can take to her and her family and shit.
So this is why I stopped fucking with Armenian chicks. I met this last one. She was really pretty, and basically I had to fucking marry her for me to like. I was like, what? This is America.
This is America.
What the fuck you talking
Do you
about?
want a traditional girl?
No, man. I'm
Oh,
trying to
okay.
fuck.
Oh, okay.
She wants one that belongs
Oh,
to
that's a different story then.
You want one that belongs
All right, then go fuck then.
Well, she thinks
Stop
she's in-
fucking my people then.
She thinks she's in Armenia and shit. I'm like, you got it all wrong, sister.
Got motherfuckers like this fucking my people, bro.
They get psycho.
Yeah, they do. They'll like really when they mean chop your balls off, they'll chop.
You know, girls release a hormone during sex that men just don't. That makes them emotionally attached to the man. It's a scientific fact. That's why they get emotional.
He's like, we release fuckery. That's it.
We release a hormone too, but it's not like that. I forgot what it's called. I should probably brush up on it.
All right, time to go.
Nice. Yeah, I like it. The flares, the fender flares, and the wheel.
Oh, this, in my opinion, is the hardest Model Y, bro.
Yeah, it's the sickest one. Yeah.
My opinion. What about this bolt right here?
Well, I do know one needs to get spit shine.
Yeah, take that off too first.
Why the fuck is it there?
It's a plug.
One of those things?
It's a flute. It's actually a flute.
No, it's because a lot of times what people do is they'll put a feed on these fuel rails.
Yeah.
It'll be feed, and they'll do a return here.
Oh, that's for like the nitrous?
Or sometimes they do like extra fittings, like a 90 to put a gauge there. Or, you know, everybody uses them for different things.
Just say I have nitrous.
You have nitrous, but
Direct port.
But nitrous doesn't go there.
That's the direct port. No?
No.
You can't tee it off and just put the other one in the nitrous side?
Nitrous goes into the air system, not the fuel system.
Oh. Chris?
All right, bro. Be out soon.
I'll come back for the tranny and the one that we were actually talking about. The car one. And then I'll get a bin. No, I'm talking about a passable one.
Oh.
Yeah, not passable in jail, like passable in the street. Oh, by the way, I don't need to say
We're here.
what your nickname is, but he's
Oh,
here.
no.
He's here.
Yeah, he was saying. I was like, which one?
Oh my god.
Anyway, guys, just hit that subscribe button for your boy, please. And thanks for tuning in. I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.